Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to draw in Canva. This is canva.com website, and first I will create a new design. Let's go with an Instagram post to get a square template, just like that. Now to draw on this blank template, just to click on this draw button from this left side menu. You will see a new drawing tools panel shows up. Here you can select your drawing pen, for example, or tool. Let's draw using this pen. Now you can also edit or select the color of your pen. Let's go with red, for example. You can also edit the weight of your drawing tool. Let's select this drawing tool, for example. As you can see, this is a preview of the weight of your drawing line or point. You can also edit the transparency. Now let's preview our new settings. To undo a drawing step, you can use this undo button from the top. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Canva Essentials online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Canva, basic Canva operations like how to add text, how to add a background, how to add an audio, video, etc. You will also learn how to edit and customize elements in Canva, also advanced text features like how to upload new fonts to Canva, how to rotate a text. You will also learn image editing techniques like how to crop an image, how to flip an image, etc. Plus animation and video editing, creating specific designs, for example, how to make a YouTube thumbnail, team collaboration and exporting, and tips and tricks. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also these other courses available in my university, just go to this link, university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. You can also undo a drawing part using this eraser tool. Let's erase this. With just a single click, you can erase a drawing part. And this is how to draw on Canva. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.